Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening up my new Celine bag together. If you guys follow me on Instagram or watched my previous New York vlog, which I'll link down below in the description box, you know that I purchased this bag while I was in New York on a work trip, and I ended up getting this bag in the Soho Celine store, which was just a beautiful, beautiful store. I have one Celine bag. I have the nano luggage tote, and I'm very excited to add this bag to my collection. Obviously, by the title of this video and the thumbnail, you already know what bag I'm gonna be unboxing with you guys, but I love filming these videos because they are truly some of my favorite videos to watch on YouTube. So we are gonna jump on in. For those of y'all who didn't watch my previous vlog or see on Instagram, the reason I purchased the bag in the Celine store but had it shipped here to Nashville instead of taking it from the store that day is because it was tax-free. So I saved about $200 in tax, and that felt worth it to have it shipped here. Plus, I was definitely very excited to get the Celine box here so that I can unbox it here on my YouTube channel, versus if I had bought it there, I probably would have just started using the bag and worn it around New York. So pros and cons to shipping it here. I definitely wish I had it in New York because I think it would have been so cute with the outfits that I had taken with me, but I am really, really excited to do like a proper unboxing because, like I said, I love these videos. But let's go ahead and jump on in. So this bag shipped, I think, in about 3 or 4 business days through UPS, and of course I had to sign for it. This is actually my first Celine bag unboxing because the previous Celine bag that I have, the nano luggage tote, I bought at Nordstrom, and I'll include that unboxing video down below in the description box because that's kind of a crazy story of why I bought that one specifically at Nordstrom. There was like a price cut and everything, so that one was definitely a bummer because I didn't get the Celine box, but I did get the dust bag. So this is my first actual like Celine unboxing. Inside of the shipping box, we've got some tissue paper. Underneath the tissue paper, we've got the proper Celine box. I don't even know how to get it out of this thing. I think I gotta tip it over. And here she is. It says Celine Paris on it. It's slightly embossed, a nice sturdy white box. Inside of the box, we have got the Celine dust bag, which is honestly one of my favorite dust bags because they have the coolest, like almost wood pattern to them. I don't know if you guys can see it here. It's got some really cool patterns in the actual dust bag. Pretty thick dust bag. And here she is, guys. I really wish I had this in New York because it's just a showstopper. It's so unique. She's beautiful. It's so different than anything that I have. If you are new to my channel, this is very different than anything that I have. If you're familiar with my channel, you're probably like, oh my gosh, Chloe, that's what you went with? So this is the Ava, and it's a style that Celine has in a bunch of different leather options, colors, all that good stuff. I got it with the Celine print in it, and I am so obsessed with this bag for a couple of reasons. One, I think it's just so stunning. It's a showstopper. Like, it's so beautiful. You can see all the texture here in the actual fabric. It's this beautiful woven design. It's got the Celine logo in it. It's got a leather strap that goes all the way down through the base of the bag. And one thing that's really incredible about this bag is the hardware. The strap on this bag, guys, is so good. This is her in all of her glory. What is really cool about this specific version of the Ava bag is this strap. So this strap is a double strap, so you can actually adjust it to make it longer so it can sit really high up on your shoulder, or you can drop it down a little bit lower. What is really cool though is the hardware on this bag. It's so thick and chunky. It's a lot more substantial than the other styles of the Ava bag. And I just fell in love with the brown leather, the thick gold hardware, the little buttons here that help you adjust the strap. And just this is a moment, and it's so cute. What's so funny is we went into the Celine store and my husband Jason was like, I love that bag. And I was like, really? That one? Like, that's so random. It just felt like a very random bag for him to like. And then I like picked it up and I like tried it on. I looked in the mirror and I was like, oh, it is really like different. And then I just couldn't let it go. It was one of those things that I was like, oh, I'm just gonna try it on and then I'm gonna go back to some other classic bag that Celine has. But then I tried it on, I kept carrying it around the store with me and I was like, wait, I think I'm obsessed with this. It's just a show-stopping bag. I think it is it's just so unique. I just love it. I don't know what else to say other than I'm obsessed with it. What's fun is that you can adjust the straps. So you click these off and you just re-snap them here at the top. And they're like pretty hefty, so you should be good unless you're putting like weights in your purse to extend the strap, so then you can wear it longer. And I'll try it on for you guys standing up. So what's nice is that you can get it really short during the summer when you're wearing tanks, you know, thinner tops, and then you can bring it longer if you choose to wear it into the fall and winter with any type of coats or jackets. That's one thing about shoulder bags that would drive me crazy, is that they were so small. I was like, I'm never gonna get one of these because you can't really wear it in the winter with like a puffer jacket. Whereas with this one, because it's so neutral and because it's black and not navy, I feel like you can absolutely wear this into the winter. It's a boucle kind of material, so I feel like it's appropriate for winter. It's not like a wicker or a very like summery type of fabric. You can definitely pull this off in other seasons, but it definitely works in the summer and I'm so pumped about this. Another really pretty detail here is the Celine on the side. It's on both sides here, which I just love that. And then on the inside, I made sure while I was in New York to see what would fit in here, and my vlog camera does fit in here with my phone and my wallet and some lip products, so we're good. And the inside is one single pocket here. So you've got this one large pocket, and then on the back here, you've got a little like flap pocket that doesn't zip. And then this is the Celine card. But how gorgeous is this? I'm gonna turn it on for you guys so you can see what she looks like. But with any type of, y'all, I'm literally pulling stuff from this Madewell bag that I wore to an event because I needed something like hands-free and kind of sporty. This is like basically what I will carry. It's like tiny sunscreen slash like lip product, wallet, keys, and then my vlog camera. And that's basically it. And it can also fit my phone with my camera as well. So it fits literally everything I need. Okay, so this is the bag on the shoulder. Shortest setting, I think it is so cute. Obviously, we all know that I love it. And I love that you can also wear it down as well. So if you're taking pictures, you can just kind of have it down by your side. It's almost like a top handle vibe in that sense. So you can just hold it out in front as well. If you want, you can make it longer, which is so convenient. Yeah. It's definitely like tough to unclasp it, which is what you want. You don't want it to just like, you know, bust open, but it's not something that, you know, you'd be switching around all the time. I feel like this is it on the longer setting, still an incredible length, and you probably wouldn't hold it down like this if it's on the longer setting. The girl at the store said that you can, you know, wear it super high like this if you want it really close to you, if you're like in a large city or something like that. I probably wouldn't wear it like this, even though I guess I technically could since I'm so short, but I definitely would wear it on my shoulder. I'm 5'2" also, just for reference, if that's helpful as far as like the size and the length goes. I think for somebody like me who is super short, it's just a really great sized bag for me. It doesn't feel like it's overwhelming my frame. This is the medium size of the Ava. I believe there's like a mini one. I don't know if there's a larger one, but I remember seeing like a teeny tiny one in the store as well. But I just love the way that it looks on the shoulder. I think it's so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing and seeing my new Ava bag. Have I mentioned I love this so much? I can't wait to wear this. I think it's gonna make every outfit just pop. It's such a statement, and because a lot of my wardrobe is very neutral and I don't wear a ton of prints or colors usually, I just feel like this is gonna be the star of every outfit, and I am so okay with that. I don't feel like I need to wear anything to even like bump this up. This by itself is so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so excited to start carrying this. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if this is like totally shocking to you, or if you can actually see why I was so drawn to it. Like I said, I'll have my playlist of all of my bag unboxings down below in the description box if there's anything that you're interested in. If you are new here and you want to stick around for some more videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you back on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one really, really soon. Bye guys.